Sure, we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the question. Number A is increased by the product of B and C. The result is divided by C and then decreased by B. Finally, that result is multiplied by C. Which of the following is the final result? So first, we have to increase A by the product of B and C. How can we write the product of B and C? So we have to write B times C. Otherwise, we can write B and C together. So whenever I write two letters together, we have to understand those two quantities are multiplied. That means here I've written B and C are together. So that means B and C are multiplied. So this is the product of B and C. Since we write this B, since we add this BC to A, so A is increased by the product of BC. I have completed the first step. Now this result has to be divided by C. Okay, now let me do the next step. That is A positive BC is divided by C. Okay, now what I need to do is I have to decrease this result by B. So in my next step, I have to subtract B from this result. So because this result has to be decreased by B according to the third step. The final step, what I need to do is I have to multiply the result by C. So the complete result has to be multiplied by C. So there is A positive BC over C negative B times C. Okay, so to simplify this one, what I need to do is I have to distribute this C to this one and this one. So when I distribute this C to this stuff, so this fraction A positive BC over C has to be multiplied by this C. So then I'm getting A positive BC over C times C. And when I distribute this C to this negative B, it will become negative B times C, that is negative BC. And this C will cancel out. So I'm getting A positive BC negative BC. This positive BC negative BC will cancel out. I'm getting A. So when I do all the steps given in the question, so the result of what I'm getting is A. So I find A in option A. So the correct answer choice for this question is option A.